Hi, this is Anjaneya. Here comes my Hadoop cluster. It is formed of 5 nodes, 160 being the master, others are slaves. Along with these, I've set up some small nodes for data cleanup, etc. And here is the topology of my Hadoop cluster. As you can see, both Hadoop and Cassandra are overlay on each other. I'm showing you which service or which daemons are running on which node, and with those 4 slaves are formed the Cassandra ring, and all nodes are of the M4 large EC2 instance, and it is in Asia Pacific zone in Singapore region. And I've mentioned the software which I'm using over here, and you can see that the Cassandra handshake and Hadoop daemons, which daemons are running on which server or which node I've mentioned. I've shown those and things, and you can see that the handshaking between Cassandra nodes, the data cleanup I have done, what is and assumptions of data cleanup are given here. And here comes our group 1 questions. The first one being top 1 airlines on time arrival performance. These are the ones rank of weekday, and though these are very simple ones, so I just skipped it from it. And the next is group 2. All questions on group 2 follow the same kind of design pattern, and in sense it goes by group by design pattern, I can say. Initially airport and carrier are grouped together, and then calculated the average, and then again find out the best performer from the carriers alone. So there's a course. I use the same code again for all these 3 different problems. Just change in input file is enough for these 3 programs. Of course, a little changes are needed for third one. And here comes the group 3 first question, ZIPF. You can see that it's almost following the ZIP distribution. Initially I ran the popularity, and then I put it into Excel sheet, found the log base of 10 values and then draw it. And this comes the final question, Tom's question, where he wants to travel from X to Y and then to Z, and he wants to have a 2 base and break at Y. And of course these are the criteria that need to be satisfied here in this one. And all these I've tried to put a optimize, or different levels of analysis I've done. And you can see that I've enabled the compression, map reduce output compression, so that files can be smaller and data network can become be down. And also, since this file is smaller, kind of processing can be a little faster. Of course, we may have if we have this data compression, the next set of jobs may face issue, may need more time to decompress. But here I'm using map side join, so no reduces. So that's way a kind of advantage from this particular problem. And along with that, increases the timeout limit also, so that these files are huge and lots of it's trying to get lots of rows, millions of rows. So that's why I try to put that timeout limit increasing also. And coming to Hive, as I said, I used Hive also for data cleanup. So I use some specific storage format so that Hive queries can be quicker. And here comes the third Tom's query, the results, and how I have stored them so that we can get well formatted Cassandra results. And here is the code for